Hello everyone, how's it going? Just going over what is happening with the Senseonics stock. So it's up 35% over the week, and yesterday it was about 18%, and right now it's about 10% up pre-market. So it's still going up. Senseonics is into the manufacturing of something called as CGM, which is continuous glucose monitoring. Right now you're using finger sticks, which is a little bit cumbersome, especially if you ask the diabetes patient, it's much more troublesome for them. This particular sensor tries to solve that problem by having this kind of a sensor which stuck to the skin, and then it reads the reading and gives out the reading on it, transmits the reading wirelessly onto a cell phone. So it's easy to monitor for someone who's undergoing that treatment. The second aspect is it lasts there for about 180 days. Now, there are some other companies who are doing something similar, but those sensor technologies can last only for 7 days or maybe 2 weeks. But this particular sensor can do it for 180 days. And they're also into manufacturing and development of a sensor that can last for 365 days. The other sector to look into is it does require calibration, but the calibration is only twice. And they are currently working on a technology that will require calibration only once a week. So that's something amazing to look into. Now, they did submit their product for FDA approval. That was back in October of 2020, almost a year back. But in December, FDA came back, and originally the FDA approval was expected to come out in Q1 of 2021, but then December 2020, FDA came back and said because of the emergency use authorization for COVID-19 vaccines, they're using all their resources into getting that approved for the vaccine. So hence, this FDA approval process for the Senseonics got delayed, and it is expected to come out sometime in this Q2 of 2021. And that's something which is probably also having people interested. The second thing to look into is the diabetes data. Now, this is from the American Diabetes Association, and they are projecting, again, one thing to look into is diabetes is not going anywhere. But by 2030, this particular website or the American Diabetes Association is expecting that the diabetes percentage is going to rise from 2.8% of the population to 4.4% back in 2030. So this is nothing but increasing. So that's something to keep in mind for. The next aspect is, yes, Senseonics has been increasing, or the communication in Senseonics has been increasing on the Wall Street bets, and they're possibly talking about a short squeeze because the short interest ratio that has increased, and it's about 34%, which is a very high value. And they are looking not as high as the other companies that we know, but this is considerably high. Now, yes, it is being discussed on the Wall Street bets, and that's potentially something people are looking towards to. Now, the June 18th call options, if you look into, there's a strike of $4, and there's a huge volume for that particular strike. Now, similarly, on the July 16th, there is up to $10. So that's something interesting to look into. Yeah, so just wanted to share this information with you. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.